Hi guys, it's Tiyasha. Welcome to my channel World of Passion. In today's video, I am showing you some cute and small mini garden sticks. So without any delay, let's start the video. At first, take thin wire, which you can easily get from local stationery shop. Cut the wire as your required shape. Then take Fevicryl molded clay. Mix the same amount of clay and hardener. Then take a wire, insert the clay balls and stick the balls with Fevicol. Then make the antenna of the caterpillar with head pin. Painted it as shown in the video. Here I am using dark green color and painted the gaps and wipe out the excess. Then take light green color and colored it with a sponge dabber. Here I am using pink color to color the antenna and the nose of the caterpillar. Now I am using black acrylic color and make eyes, eyebrows and mouth with dot art tools. Lastly, apply a coat of varnish. The second one, at first here I am using Fevicryl molded clay. Make the same quantity of clay and hardener. Then take old newspaper, make a oval base. Then I take molded clay, wrapped the clay on the newspaper. Here I am using Fevicol to stick the clay on the newspaper. Before drying the clay, a hook insert it so we can easily hang it. Here I take a metal wire, bend the upper part and make a hook-like structure so that we can hang the clay part easily. Make a small hole using any round object. Then I make a small bee with clay and stick it with Fevicol. Then colored it in the same process as shown in the previous one. At first, take dark brown color and only painted the gaps. Then wipe out the excess. Then take golden yellow color and colored it with a sponge dabber. Here I am using sky blue color to painted the wings of the bee. Make some detailing with dark brown color. Lastly, apply a coat of varnish to make the art piece waterproof and long lasting. The third one, here I am also using Fevicryl molded clay. Followed the process as shown in the video. Here I am using a clay cutter. Cut the clay as your required shape. Make a similar shape, then stick the shapes with wire. Then colored the flower with white and purple color. Using a sponge dabber to blend the colors. Apply a coat of varnish to make it waterproof. The fourth one, here I am making a cute umbrella like garden stakes. Take some clay as a base and insert on a wire. Then make a umbrella like structure with clay. Stick the two parts with the help of Fevicol. Then color it with brown and red acrylic color. Here I am making some polka dots with dot art tools. Lastly, apply a coat of varnish. And the final look is Thank you for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoying the video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for future updates.